got to our first lake. It's absolutely beautiful here. The water is this stunning blue color, absolutely gorgeous.
Took us 2 hours and 55 minutes to hike 4.18 miles. Don't know the elevation right now, but we'll follow up with that later. We definitely felt it though, regardless.
Yeah, absolutely. It was a very strenuous and tiring hike. It's a very steady incline the whole time. Would you call that steady, or what would you call that?
It would kind of like tease you with some flat surfaces every now and then, and some nice declines, and then it was like, surprise, here's like 2 miles straight up. So yeah, it was difficult. Trust the rating on this one, but it's beautiful up here. It wasn't the nicest umbrella, but yeah, so the mountains decided that it's had enough of us. Just started spitting little bits of hail. You could probably still see. Having a great time. This was my umbrella. I brought it mostly for the sun, but that's okay.
And this was your Vic.
And this was my Vic, and this is broken too. So we're gonna make it down the mountain now. Go. Oh yeah, nope, no, I don't. All right, yep. Yep, never be too careful. Holds that branch like it's gonna do jack shit. Oh my goodness. It's also just like so interesting how much different terrain we're walking on. Like this is all red, so I'm like, ooh, this could be cool. All right, so we just finished and I'm about to stop the watch and it says 7 miles. So here's where we parked earlier today. As you can see, there's a good number of people